Okay, here we are in Pine Grove State Forest Campground in the Michaux State Forest in Pennsylvania. We are in Site 24 behind our campground. You might be able to hear that noise. That is a pretty busy road. Had I known it was back there, I wouldn't have picked the site we did. That site over there is pretty nice. Site 27 is pretty nice.
I think there's a bathroom down there.
I see it. Yeah. Okay, the big bonus around the back of the bathrooms. Yay! They have wash basins, which is something that's hit or miss at a lot of campgrounds in Maryland. Okay, these bathrooms in the Pine Grove Furnace Campground are apparently pretty much brand new, very modern. 3 sinks over here, outlets, and 3 automatic hand dryers. Okay, there's Fuller Lake, and a little past it is Laurel Lake. So from this campground, there's a trail that goes all the way to Fuller Lake, and then you can pick up another one to Laurel Lake.
What are you doing?
Okay, coming out of Pine Grove Furnace Day Use area, here's the trailhead for the Appalachian Trail that goes from Maine to Georgia. Okay, here we are at Fuller Lake, and these are the new bathrooms they built. Looks like they have a snack bar over there and everything. This is completely different than it was when I was younger. It's a nice beach, but this used to be like more wooded back in here. Look at the minnows in there. Okay, here we are walking from Fuller Lake. This trail wasn't here when I was a kid. I believe this goes to Laurel Lake, and I believe this is part of the Appalachian Trail. Very wide, as you can see, graveled. Anybody could walk this trail.
Alright, we're recording.
You'll never get in this. I don't even know if I can get in this. That's the thing about this. I don't think so.
Come on, you wimpo.
It's really, I don't think you understand.
This guy's like
Are you shivering already?
in the White House.
Oh, okay. What do I hit?
How cold is it?
Refreshingly cold.
What would you say, 50 degrees? 60? Okay, my assessment of this campground is very favorable. This is a really nice campground. The bathrooms are very nice. They all have motion sensing lighting so that the lights aren't on all night. They're only on when somebody walks up to them, which is very nice. Otherwise, it's a very nice sleep, very secluded feeling campground with the exception of the road behind me. We're going to take a walk, we think. We're going to take a hike to Fuller Lake, and we're going to see how that trip is.